Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make these gorgeous little portraits, and I'll also try to answer all your burning questions and clear up any doubts. Yes, even the ones you didn't know you had. So let's jump right in. Today, I'll be using the single crochet technique. I used to make the shorts videos using double crochet, but this time we're trying something new. Let's see how it goes. Materials you'll need: 100% acrylic yarn. Yes, make sure it's acrylic, not cotton, trust me. A crochet hook. I'm using a 3.5 millimeters hook. Scissors. Transfer paper. I'll talk more about this mysterious paper in a bit. Let's start with the fabric. We'll begin with 21 chains. It might vary depending on your yarn and hook size, but for this project, 21 is our magic number. Once you finish your chains, turn and do 30 rows of single crochets. That will be your canvas, your beautiful handmade canvas. Now, the transfer paper saga. Here it is, transfer paper. This is not your average printer paper. It's a special kind used to personalize t-shirts. But here's the catch. It works best with acrylic fabric. Don't try it with cotton unless you want a faded, sad-looking portrait. Been there, done that, it's a no. You might notice the image looks super pale on the paper. Don't panic. Once you iron it on, the colors will pop like magic. What I usually do is send a PDF file to a local shop that prints and presses the images for me. Easy peasy. Also, don't forget, print your design in mirror mode. If not, your astronaut might end up reading backwards. Time to iron. Place the image face down on your fabric and iron it for about 1 minute on the highest heat setting, no steam. Pro tip: if you want to protect your fabric, you can place a thin paper between the iron and the transfer paper. But if the image is big enough to cover everything, you can go in directly. Once you're done ironing, voila! The result should be bright, bold, and beautiful. In my case, it's a cool astronaut on the moon because, well, I love astronomy. Final touch. To finish the portrait, I'm using chopsticks as hangers. Yes, chopsticks, crafty and classy. Just pass them through every 2 single crochets. Tie up the yarn tail to hold them, and you've got yourself a wall-worthy crochet portrait. Now, let's talk yarn one more time. Look at these 2 examples. The one I made with cotton yarn, featuring Jungkook purple art. Looks kind of faded, right? The second one, made with acrylic yarn, featuring my dog Andromeda, also purple art. Because we got our 7 back, looks much brighter and sharper. That's the magic of using the right materials. And that's it, folks. If you decide to make this project, please tag me on TikTok or Instagram. Found me as at @artish_rena. I'd love to see your masterpieces. And of course, don't forget to like, comment if you have questions, and subscribe for more creative chaos and cozy crafts. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.